What is freelancing? If you've decided to become a freelancer, the numbers say you're on to something good. Whether your goal is to earn some money on the side or make freelancing a full-time career, you'll need to arm yourself with knowledge, determination to learn and improve, and lots of patience. Here's how to start freelancing. How do you become a freelancer? The freelance market is growing by the day, and if you want to be competitive, you have to prepare accordingly. Follow these 6 steps to get started. Step 1. Consider whether freelancing is for you. Freelancing has its pros and cons, more on that later, but in general, you must possess a specific mindset to be a freelancer. Being your own boss is a great thing if you're disciplined and reliable. Freelancing enables you to set your own schedule, so you can take a day off whenever you want, but you won't be paid for that time because there is no such thing as paid leave. Step 2. Find a platform. Most freelancers use freelancing platforms to find work. While recommendations and social media channels like LinkedIn can also be a great source of gigs, platforms are popular because they allow you to effortlessly connect with clients looking for freelancers. There is always a job available there. Also, most of these platforms have policies and offer protection both for buyers and freelance workers. On freelance platforms, every project you take on is a mini contract, and both you and the client are required to adhere to its terms. Choosing the platform with the model that fits your needs and salary expectations is incredibly important for your success. Step 3. Build your profile. You don't have to prepare a classical CV, as most freelancing websites have a pre-designed template that you need to fill out with your information, but you shouldn't treat your freelancing profile as a checkbox exercise. Step 4. Build your portfolio. When you create your profile, make sure you provide a portfolio that illustrates your skills and experience. But what if you're a beginner in your chosen field? My suggestion is to either take time to create a portfolio with sample works or simply accept several jobs at a discounted rate in exchange for experience. Step 5. Determine your price. Speaking of discounts, while your hourly rate or project price heavily depends on your skill set and experience, don't work for peanuts. We already mentioned how this devalues both freelancers and the quality of work. Step 6. Find work. There is no point in applying for a project you cannot complete on time with satisfactory results. As a freelancer, you're building your reputation from scratch, and especially in the beginning, it's of utmost importance to secure positive feedback. When you apply for jobs, make sure you craft a relevant cover letter that explains why you're the best choice for that particular job or project. Highlight the skills and experience that are relevant to requirements. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.